if we have to move this country to a next level as a innovation 2030, we have to focus more on processing of these primary products, and we cannot do so without support from KEBS. We don't see KEBS just like an askari at the barrier telling you stop. We want to see you more as a facilitator and of value addition, of processing, in this country.
KEBS first and foremost give permits for the small medium enterprises, for large farms. Before they start manufacturing, have to get permits from KEBS, and that is our key mandate to facilitate trade. We realize that now with the East African integration, where we are even bringing now DRC and other neighboring countries, we need to encourage small medium enterprises to get permits for us to focus more in export.
So we are very, very grateful, and we are looking forward to working together, and we will move with the speed to occupy. Right. We have already, I think, set aside the budget for the boundary wall, right, and setting up a lab. But while we were chatting with His Excellency, as mentioned, we need to do the road, right, and the borehole. Yes, and this one, we have taken it very seriously. We worked on it.
We are going to see a lot of production at the small and the micro levels. People making bread, people packaging milk. Therefore, these people, we would like them to grow in the right direction with the right standards, so that our product can be consumed outside of the county.
Minister,
good members. Good members will be hapa.
Thank you so much.